let's bleed it off a minute and let's see what we can do with this glue. Remember, that's plastic. I don't want to hit it with too much heat to where we start. No. This glue on this right here, okay. I don't want to hit it straight. I want to hit it at an angle and let the heat soften it up. So back that, bleed it off, because we are, which way? We're 180. Open it, it's only got one turn. Bleed it off. All right, so let's try at a glancing blow.
We'll go this way with it.
Whichever, you try that corner there.
I don't want to hit there.
I want to soften up the glue and see if we can remove some of that paint, or soften up the glue. Remember, your high pressure is down here.
Right, well, I'm trying to get that bottom, strip off.
All right, let's come up right here.
Right there?
Letting the heat soften it up, and then we'll have the pressure take it off. Yeah, it looks pretty good.
How much pressure you got on it?
Here we get. What we're doing now is removing an adhesive that glued on some tile around the outskirts of this pool. And we're using heat and pressure to soften the glue and to remove it from it without damaging the plastic underneath so that they can retile it. And it's working pretty effective now. Part of the process is learning how much the plastic will take before we warp or damage it, and that's what we're real cautious about. So at this point, we've pretty well figured out what pressure and what temperature we're going to need, and we can go ahead and get this pool part taken care of. Okay, that's enough on that process. Let's come over here where he's already done some, and let's see if we can improve that. Not the plastic. I want to try back on the paint, on the fiberglass. Let's see what we can do. Yeah, that exactly right there. If you want to go up and down, we can do that as well. I'll turn that nozzle. Whatever you're comfortable with.
Yeah, let me see what we got.
Proper pressure, the right temperature, and the right nozzle. So now we're ready to go ahead and attack this thing and get her done. All right.